Hi, my name is Dr. Liz Westcott and I'm Department Head for Nursing, and I would love to introduce you to our new state-of-the-art simulation facilities in our new Joel Joffe building for our Swindon campus for Oxford Brookes University. So this mannequin can be programmed to simulate any type of condition, any type of catastrophic event while the person is having surgery, and it enables our students to be able to learn in a very safe atmosphere where they can be taught the knowledge and skills to be able to care for patients who are undergoing surgery. And that's particularly for our operating department practitioner students who are based at this campus. We have on the rest of this ward area, we have a patient who is can be simulated to be in the post-operative phase, and this patient then can be shown to either deteriorate or to improve, and again is connected up to a computer. This is an anaesthetic machine, and so we can simulate a person being put to sleep while they're having anaesthetized, while they're having surgery, and then we can simulate the patient being woken up after the surgery. And then the rest of the area that we have here is going to be what we class as a high dependency area. So we can then simulate a person then being taken after they've had surgery and put into a recovery bed, and then both nurses who are training to be nurses to look after adult patients, and also our operating department practitioner students can also then learn how to care for somebody in the theatre area, in the recovery area, and then back in an acute bed as well.
You ready?
Okay, and I'd like to introduce you now to our ward area. And this particular area has got 6 beds in it, and each of the mannequins can be simulated to be having a different condition and different needs. And this allows all of our students to then understand how to care for somebody safely when they're in a particular ward. So the students can learn how to undertake observations, how to feed somebody, how to communicate with them, and they also learn the importance of teamwork, working with the interprofessional team. And so they can simulate working with occupational therapists and physiotherapists and medical staff, so that they can understand all the different roles that are required to care for a patient safely. We also then help people to understand how to care for people in their own home environment, because most health and illness occurs in the home. And so we can help students to understand the importance of health promotion in the home, but also encouraging somebody, if they're in a home environment, to understand how to look after themselves safely. Because obviously a lot of people are living at home these days with very complex conditions, and with carers looking after them, and so we can help students to understand how to do that really safely and effectively.